is no way that you will not be forgiven if you are sincere. Allah will always forgive you. Even if you go back to Him 100 times, He will forgive you 101 times. Shaytan comes again. What does he say? Hey, you remember the sins you committed? Yes. Well, they were so bad, worse than all other people. Okay, are you sure? Yes. You ask for forgiveness, but Allah won't forgive you, not you. Me, not forgiven. Yeah, they were bad sins. Look at how Shaitan is talking. They were bad. Now you start thinking, maybe Allah did not forgive me. That maybe is a problem. That's Shaitan. Allah says, why are you entertaining that waswasa again? Why are you entertaining the devil again? La taqnatu min rahmatillahi. Allah says, don't ever lose hope in the mercy of Allah. And you are losing hope in the mercy of Allah. It means you have not recognized Allah. You don't know who is Allah.